Okay, so this is lab 5, experiment 2. The first one I'm going to be doing is the AB or A naught B naught. Currently we have B is this first one, A is the second one. We see that B is in 1 state, A is in 0. That should give us 0. If we put both to 0, we should see 1. If we do a 0 and a 1 on A, so A1, B0, we should see a 0. And if they are both 1, we should see a 1. Then we have CD. If we have C and D are both in the 0, we get 0. If C is 0 and D is 1, we should get a 1. If C is if C is 1, we should get a 1, yeah. Oh, sorry. If D is 1, we should get a 1. Then if C is 1, we should get a 0, which we do. Afterwards, if both are 1, we should also get a 1. So 1, well, 1. And we can see that the second LED is on. Next is E and G. So here we have E is this one, G is that one. If we have 0, 0, we should get 0. If E is 0, G is 1, we should see a 1. We do on LED 3. If E is 1 and G is 0, we should also see a 1. So that would be here, which we do. Then if both are 1, we should see a 0. So 1, 1, and we see a 0. Next is J, I, and H. Here we have H, I, and J here. So if all three are 0, we get a 0. If J is 1, which is this far one, we should see a 1. If let's see, if I is 1, we should see a 0. So I is 1, 0. If we see a 1, 1 on I and J, that would be a 1. So 1, 1. Oh, sorry. J, I, and H. So if we do 1, 1, we should see a 1. Okay. And then we have 1, 0, 0 with H being 1, 1, and we should get a 0, which we do. Then we should see a 1, 1 on H and J. So H and J, we should see a 0, which we do. And then we have H1, I1, which we should have a 0. Oh, sorry, that's J again. H1 and I1, which is a 0. Again, this is J, I, and H. Then if all three are 1, we should see a 1. So J, I, and H, which we do. Okay.